Welcome to this video overview of working with custom surcharges in SureTax. In this tutorial, we will cover how to add or edit a custom surcharge. After logging into SureTax and selecting the company to work with, we can access custom surcharges through the menu. Surcharges are located in the section on custom tax rates and rules, under overrides. You'll notice here, above the map, that SureTax allows you to add custom surcharges, rates and rules for the US, Canada, or the world. For this tutorial I'll stick with the United States and proceed to the Add button. Then select Surcharge from the drop-down list. A custom surcharge allows you to add a particular fee to a product in a specific location, such as state or country. This screen is where we'll fill out the details for the new surcharge, starting with the name. Next is the tax type, which allows me to select from C1 through C5. C1 is for VAT or GST, C2 and C5 are regulatory compliance fee, C3 is for interstate cost recovery fee, and C4 is for state PUC regulatory fee. Let's say this is a VAT tax, so I'll select C1. Then the rate, which I'll set at 4%. Next are the start month, which defaults to the month in which I am adding this surcharge, and the end month, which is optional. I don't have an end month for this surcharge, so I'll leave it blank for now. At the bottom of the screen we have the auto-populated additional information such as the fee rate and the formula. The formula in this case is standard rate, no aggregation, which means the amount of revenue, times the tax rate, which in this case is 4%, equals the fee. After reviewing this information, I'll click Next. This screen lets us assign a location or locations where the surcharge will be assessed. The available authorities are on the left, and I select them by adding them to the window on the right. This surcharge will be assessed in the state of Texas. Adding the state places the United States in the selected window, which we can expand to see the state that I selected. I could have included multiple states under the US, and multiple provinces under Canada, selected within this one window for the surcharge to apply to them all. Right now, however, I'll just stick with Texas. So within Texas, what products do I want to select to receive the surcharge? Let's add clothing, general. Now, having named the surcharge, specified the tax rate and the start date, then chosen a location and product category where the surcharge will apply, I'm ready to click Create. A notification displays at the top of the screen confirming that the custom surcharge has been successfully created. So let's click on Texas and see if it appears below. There it is, on a new card that displays basic information about the fee. I can view more information or perform edits by clicking the card. This opens the detail view where you can see that individual items can be edited or deleted. Since I selected general clothing as the product category, the more specific products that fall into that category are listed here, so that I can make changes at a more granular level if I want to. If I want to edit the tax rate, I can do that here. Let's have a look. The Edit Tax Rate dialog has most fields grayed out, but you can edit the tax rate itself, the tax rate description, and the fee rate here if needed. Before closing out of this dialog, I'll note that the plus sign means you can also add a tax rate here. Currently we have a Tier 0 tax rate, and you could add additional tiers with their own tax rates that would display below. This is where I'll bring our overview of custom surcharges to a close. I hope you feel more familiar with the process now and can find the workflow that works best for you. Thanks for watching our video on working with custom surcharges in SureTax.